Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic and right here with you is Engineer OC. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass FRP on itel p33 plus, and the model number is W6001. So the first thing you do, you insert a SIM card into the phone. As you can see, since I'm in Nigeria, I am using Glo, so I ensure you insert the SIM card into the phone, any network at all, whichever country you are. So after inserting the SIM card, you see the network showing. Now the first thing you do, you click on the start button, and then after clicking on the start button, you ensure that you are connected to Wi-Fi network, like as you have done. I'm connected to Engineer OC. So second thing is, you go back to the home screen, you click on emergency. You can see, and then you see this information up here, emergency information. You double click, then you click on this icon here like a pen. You see, after seeing the information, you see add contacts. Click on add contacts, see allowed. So you choose any contact at all. You can choose this first, as you see. Then you click on the image icon. You see the option, so then you see these three dots here. You click on it. Click on these three dots. You can see the icon button, the share icon has come out. You click on the share, then you select share with text. Then you see all the options here. You select Gmail, then you skip, then add an email address. Click on order. You see, use any letter at all, any letter of your choice. Use G. You remember this at, you put it, this at, then at any letter. Then remember to put your point, then put any letter at all. Then in this next, you click on it. Then you see on all these options, you click on exchange. Then you select, you see all the options. You see the certificate, you see this select certificate, click on it. Then you need to set a lock pin, pattern or password before you can use credential storage. So you click OK. So you see all the options, create any of the options at all you can use. So let's use pin. So I choose. You can see. You can skip the options here. Set security questions, you can skip. Then without sensor, without fingerprint. So what you do, you return back after setting up all this. You go back to your home screen. After coming here, then you click on your start. Then start connecting. Set up as a new. Checking info. Then remember the pin you created just now. You type it here. Then you click on next. Allow for it to connect. Now since the loading, the network is having issue a little, so let's go back to the home screen. Now after coming here, you restart again. You click on the yellow button again, and then you can see all the options set up as new again. What you do, you click back. You click on go to your network. You see all the options. You see skip here. You click on skip. Continue. Set a name. Any name. You put in your name here. See. Click on it. You can skip all the options. Scroll down, accept. Anything more, click on this. Then click on agree. Select your country. Since I'm in Nigeria, I'm going to select Nigeria. You can see. Now your phone is set for you to use. You can see. So now your phone is set for you to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Phone Clinic, for more details. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.